How to install Free Fire in iPhone. Hello guys, so the first step in our video tutorial for today is to go to the App Store and then we search Free Fire. So here we type in Free Fire and then click search. So you will locate the app. So as you can see, this is the app, the Free Fire. So all you have to do is install it, click get, and then proceed on the security measures such as the fingerprint, your password, or your face recognition in order for you to download. So as you can see here, the app is now downloading, as you can see on its icon on the home screen. So it's loading and progressing. So now the game is now done downloading, so you can now proceed to opening your game. So as you can see, it's now starting. So you just click allow or ask app not to track. So once downloaded, this is the game that you will see. So that's about it guys on today's video. I hope you learn from this tutorial and I hope you have a nice day. Thank you.